Hi guys, welcome to a quick revision video on Hecate or Hecate, depending on how you see it, from Macbeth. It will be very quick. She is the goddess of witches in Greek mythology, but also, more interestingly, obviously she's the goddess of witchcraft. We know that then the three witches are going to have to answer to her. But however, in Greek statues of Hecate or Hecate, however you pronounce it, she is the goddess of crossroads. That is mighty in terms of Macbeth. He is at a crossroad in terms of, do I kill the king or do I not? So the fact that she is the goddess of that also has massive implications for our play. Basically, we see her at the end of Act 3, after the initial predictions, after the death of the king, after Banquo has been murdered, and she berates the three witches and she asks them why they have meddled in Macbeth's business. And she says, how did you dare to traffic with Macbeth in riddles of affairs and death? So again, look at your word riddle, that they have meddled in there. They have arguably upset the great chain of being and fate. As she carries on in this big speech, and she mentions the fatal end. Well, obviously, by the prophecies and creating the prophecies, what is going to happen is the fatal end, i.e. the death of Lady Macbeth, the death of Macbeth as well. But interestingly, she chooses to use the words great business. That there should remind you of Lady Macbeth. When she refuses to talk about murder, she uses those words. So again, we can really see how the influence of the supernatural is really prevalent in this play. If you need my video on the witches and the supernatural, please check out my YouTube channel. And to carry on a bit further, she talks about how Macbeth, now that he's had these prophecies, thinks that he can spurn fate and spurn death, therefore like almost avoid it. And then finally she gives us a big line that I think we probably should note, and she says, you all know security is mortal's chiefest enemy. Now that links to your tragic hero. The arrogance of Macbeth, remember, at the end of this play is that he thinks he can't die because of the witches' prophecies. Remember, they say that he can't die of anyone born naturally. So it heightens this arrogance of Macbeth, who thinks, well, it's never going to happen to me, hence the great downfall of our tragic hero. Basically, there's not much more to say about Hecate or Hecate, so all you want to do is check her speech there at the end of Act 3. But please be wary that after she's berated the witches, what do they then do? They give him the next 3 predictions, which is obviously a massive issue, because that's where we get the 3 predictions about, well, you can't die of anyone born naturally, you can't die until the Burnham Woods begin to move, and beware of Macduff. So actually, whilst they are warned not to meddle, they continue to do so. If you need anything on Macbeth, there's a full playlist there. There's grade 9 stuff on your key characters, Lady Macbeth, there's Banquo, there's Macduff, and massive good luck in your English literature exam.